Hey guys, today I'm excited because I'm going to be installing this GPS tracker on my Kawasaki Versys X300. So this is the Optimus GV75MG. I bought it on Amazon. This video is not sponsored. I think it was like 55 bucks. The service fee is 12 bucks a month to actually have it activated. There's no contract. I bought this GPS tracker not because I'm paranoid about my bikes getting stolen, but because I'm wanting to next year take hopefully an adventure ride where I stay a couple nights at hotels. And just in my experience, it seems like, hotels don't seem to be the safest place to have your goods. Anytime I've ever actually had anything stolen from me, and a lot of people I know, it's been at hotels, unfortunately. So this is just going to hopefully help me sleep better at night. I was just kind of going through the scenario thinking, okay, if I'm in a hotel, I sleep, and I get up the next morning and my bike's gone, that's going to be pretty bad. I'm sure the chances of that happening are pretty slim. I'm sure a lot of it depends on the hotel you're staying at, but it could happen. I lock my bike. I take the key out. I do the steering wheel lock. All that kind of good stuff is what I'm thinking I'll do. I also bought a kryptonite chain that I can try to chain it up somewhere. But this is kind of going to help me sleep better at night. So. It seems pretty simple and straightforward. I think it's only 3 wires. It's positive, negative, and then an ignition wire, so it should go pretty simple. I'm going to try to figure out a place to mount this thing, and then I'll activate the service probably for at least a month just to kind of try it out and see how the app works. Then I may do an actual review video on what I think about it and if I would buy it again after that point. Let's get this thing installed and see how it works. Okay, so what I ended up doing was the red and the black, I just put these little connectors on them. I stripped the wire and just stuck these connectors on them and crimped them in place. And then the other wires, I cut them each at slightly different levels so they wouldn't short out just in case. And I threw a piece of heat shrink tubing on it, heated it up so it was nice and tight, and then stuck a zip tie on it. So in the future, if I decide I do end up needing some of these cables, I can access them. So it turns out this GPS tracking install actually went a lot easier than I anticipated. So it only really needs 2 wires, which are the positive and the negative, always on. The unit itself doesn't really consume very much power. There's a built-in battery that it will recharge, and during that recharge it pulled 0.1 amp, which is just 1 watt, roughly, at 12 volts. So that's significant enough to not want to leave on all the time. Eventually it would drain your battery. However, once that battery was fully charged, the unit dropped down to 0.00 amps, which was not enough for my multimeter to register. So I'm not worried at all leaving this thing on. If it goes a month and I don't ride this bike, I may check the battery just to be sure, but I suspect there's no problem with it at all. It's probably just fine to leave in here all the time. I mounted it up under the fender here. It's all plastic, so I'm thinking that should be a good spot for it. The only concern would be that it's not completely hidden. So if somebody knew what they were looking for, they may find that and be able to pull it out and throw it in the trash or destroy it or something, so it's unable to communicate. It was a pretty simple install. I just stuck those flat connectors and plugged them into that wiring harness on the always on. I went ahead and activated it online, tested to make sure it was working, and it did. It showed it was here in this location, so I will give a more thorough review once I actually have some testing on it and say what I like and don't like about it. But as far as the install goes, it was fairly easy. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them. Thanks for watching.